Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic V2 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then we can enter the Play Store. You will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If you're not sure how to do it, you can either log in or sign up right now, and you can check our tutorial of how to do it exactly. So all we have to do is to tap on the circle, which is your account, so circle in the right upper corner, and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Then let's tap on Manage, and right here we've got the list of all installed apps, and here we've got updates available, so simply tap on it, and now we can check which of those apps we can update. Of course, if you want, you can mark all of them. If not, just choose one or two or whichever apps you need to be updated, for example YouTube and maybe Google Messages. After marking, tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically applied, so you do not have to do anything more. Just wait patiently, you can turn it off completely, everything will happen in the background. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.